Hey everyone, it's Abigail and welcome back to Herbal Mailbag, where every week I answer a question somebody has asked me about how to treat an ailment with an herbal remedy. So last question that I answered was how to treat dandruff naturally at home. If you are interested in that and you missed that video, it is in the feed below today's video. I brought up a follow-up question from somebody, and that is they were wondering if that same dandruff remedy would work on psoriasis of the scalp and the beard. So today I'm going to share a remedy that I think will work better, and that is with a burdock root wash. You want to make a very strong decoction using burdock root. Use an ounce of the herb to 2 quarts of water and simmer it down to about 2.5 pints. Then you have a pretty strong decoction that you use as a wash on the affected area twice daily. Now, burdock root grows abundantly in Utah, but of course we're in the dead of winter right now, and we actually just had a massive snowstorm. Winter finally came. So I don't have any fresh burdock root here to show you. However, at the end of this video, I will show you a picture of the burdock plant that I took this summer while I was out hiking. It literally grows everywhere around here. You can sometimes find burdock root at the health food store or the grocery store in the produce section, so you can check it out there. Or probably the easiest way to get it is just to order some online or pick some up at your local food store. So that's how to treat psoriasis naturally using burdock root wash. I hope you found this helpful. If you'd like to ask me a question about an ailment or a health issue or just whatever stage of life you're in, please leave your question in the comments below. You can also private message me or email me, abigail@wellwithabigail.com. I look forward to chatting with you all more. Thanks and have a great week.